Hi guys, Anissa, the Crafty Author here. I just wanted to show you what we're going to be doing for dinner tonight because as you know, I'm unpacking my craft room and trying to get it all set up. And so I wanted to do something quick and easy here at home to get dinner ready for my family. And it is cloudy and cold outside. It's been raining since yesterday. It feels wonderful. Fall is officially here. The next thing that I'm going to do is I wanted to show you my wild grain box. And I will put all of the information down below in the description box so that you can get your own, and also with my code so you can save some money. I wanted to tell you what comes in the first wild grain box that I received. So I got some fresh fettuccine, fresh tonarelli, plain sourdough loaf, sourdough sesame seed loaf, slow fermented olive oil ciabatta, apple pie bites, croissants, and I have to tell you, I made the sourdough bread. You cook it from frozen, and it was amazing. So good. As a matter of fact, my husband ate a lot of that bread. And then he was like, why'd you let me eat so much bread? But it was delicious. It was so good. So for tonight's dinner, I just wanted to show you the product here that they have. So for tonight, what we're going to do is we are going to make the slow fermented olive oil ciabatta bread. We're going to bake that. And you can see that the baking instructions are right here on the package. You bake right from frozen. I'm going to turn my oven on to 400 degrees and cook it for 20 to 22 minutes. So not too bad, right? Then we're also going to be making the fettuccine. And again, you do all of this from frozen. And then my favorite right here is the apple pie bites. Yum! So we are going to be having this dessert. So this is what my wild grain box, and I'm so glad that I got this because it makes cooking dinner so easy, especially when you're running out of time and you just want to do something quick and healthy. So what I have in here is a mixture of Prego with meat and ragu. So yes, we're doing it the cheating way because I'm not going to spend all day preparing dinner. I'm going to add some Italian sausage in here. Okay, so I've cut up my Italian sausages. Yes, these are like half frozen because I defrosted them. And I just cut them into little thirds. These were extremely large Italian sausage links. I will cook these on high for an hour and a half with everything else. And then I'll turn the heat down to low and finish cooking that for about another 5.5 hours, just to make sure that everything is nice and cooked. So we have about 30 minutes left here of cooking time, and it is looking delicious. I've already started the oven. I'm gonna do the bread first. And it says to actually cook this on the middle rack without a baking sheet. So, and then you gotta let it cool at least 20 minutes to finish. The bread is done. And I've got the water getting ready to boil. I salted it. We're gonna just go ahead and go with the fettuccine for tonight. That's what my husband wanted. I've got the apple pie bites on the baking pan, oven at 425, and we're just about done. I'll show you the finished product. Dinner and dessert was absolutely delicious. I hope you love this box as much as I do. And if you click on the link below in the description box and use my discount code, the Crafty Author, if you're one of the first 50 people to sign up, you'll get $10 off of the first box, plus free croissants in every box. So don't wait to get your wild grain box. I promise you're gonna love it. It makes making your dinner so much faster, so much easier. I can tell you this from personal experience. I absolutely hate to cook. So it worked out great for me. Make sure you use my code. You'll save some money. And thank you again to Wild Grain.